How would you like a rear rack for your TW200 for under $30? My $20 kit will allow you to bolt on a crate available from Home Depot. Next to a bungee cord that will dry rot and eventually fail, this is the least expensive rack available for your TW200. Installation is simple. Using an 8mm socket, remove the 3 bolts on the rear pad. Next, using the round spacers from my kit, fill in the holes so the rear pad is flush. Place the rear mounting adapter on the back and secure it with the provided longer bolt. You will need a 10mm socket to install. Using the remaining plastic adapters, we need to insert them into the milk crate. They need to be installed on one of the edges, aligned with the center, and the offset holes on the adapters need to be facing each other. Notice the 4 blank holes, and the holes that are in the adapters are closest to the center. Next, place the milk crate on the rear of the bike. Align the offset holes by sliding the crate in the groove of the adapter already installed on the bike. If you installed the last adapters correctly, the bolts should slide right through the holes and align with the threads on the bike. Don't forget to install the washers with these bolts. Everything will snug up with the 10mm socket, and you're ready to use it. It's that simple. Obviously, this rack has weight limitations. Just be cognizant of the manufacturer's limitations. I have had, my disc golf set in here, along with a change of shoes, a bottle of water, and I even noticed that one of my coolers is able to strap onto the back, and now I'm able to take some drinks with me, or maybe some meat if I'm going to grill out at the park. So I think it's a great solution for an affordable price, and I hope you like it. Thank you.